Hey guys, look it. I'm sorry, I'm so excited. I'm going to Disneyland this week and I can't wait. Okay guys, I'm from California. I've been to Disneyland many times. I used to have a pass. We would go just for shits and giggles, you know. I was always at Disneyland. Now that being said, I live in Vegas now, you guys know, so I haven't been in years. And my parents and my sister all have passes and they're always there all the time, day drinking, and just this, I'm so excited I get to go. So I'm packing right now because we leave in 3 days to go down to California. So, you know, I'm bringing these with me because I haven't busted them out in a hot minute. Say hi. Okay, don't say hi. Okay. So today's video is going to be you guys know I used to do Sephora Play unboxings, but Sephora did me dirty. No, I don't want you in my lap right now. Later. Sephora did me dirty. And they didn't do me dirty. I just wanted to try something else. You know, I get bored easily. So hence why I have 5,000 eyeshadow palettes, foundations, concealers, bronzers. I don't know. So I wanted to try the ALLURE beauty box, which I have right here. So I am going to be unboxing this for you guys. This is for the month of April. And so I signed up and I should have got one in March. And let me tell you guys, so far ALLURE doesn't have the best. Didn't make a good first impression with me. That's what I'm trying to say. So I got the ALLURE beauty box and I signed up for everything and, you know, whatever. And I'm usually very good when I put my address in because I've done that before where I messed up and it got shipped back and it was just this big old thing. And so I always double check my address, triple check my address when I'm signing up for something that's going to be shipped to me. And so I did that. I signed up, whatever. The box was supposed to come, my March box. And it came and then they sent it back because it had an incomplete address on it. So I was like, what the heck? So I went on and I noticed that instead of my unit number has 3 numbers and there was only 2 numbers on it. So I was like, what the hell? So I checked and I was like, okay, yeah, it does only have 2 numbers. Like, my bad, I must have made a mistake. So I go and I fixed it to put all 3 numbers, and when I save it, it goes, okay, it's been updated. I go back later to look at it and it's back to just the 2 numbers. So I do it over and over again and it just keeps reverting back to 2 numbers. It's like it cuts off on the website. So I was like, so I contacted customer service. Customer service emailed me back saying, oh, you know, we're so sorry, we fixed the problem. Now it has your full address and we'll reship your box out to you with the correct address. So I'm like, okay, awesome. So no, they did not reship my box out to me. They sent me this, they just like turned around the same box and sent it out to me, but they didn't bother to fix the address on the actual box. So guess what happened? It came back out to me like almost a week later and they shipped it right back again because they did not fix anything. They just like rerouted the box back without fixing anything on the actual shipping label. So I never got that box, guys. I contacted customer service and nothing. No emails, no calls, no nothing. So I really wanted to cancel. I really did because I was so mad because I was like, what kind of customer service is this? And, you know, whether or not it was my fault in the beginning, because I don't know, since it kept reverting to 2 numbers. Still though, so I basically ate $10, which sucked, but whatever. So I got this box now. We'll see. But I was just really unhappy for that. So that's my story time for you guys. So this is the April box. And now the only thing about the ALLURE beauty box is that they're not, like, everybody gets the same box. They're not, you know, like how the other boxes, a lot of them will be, you know, catered to your whatever your profile, little profile thing you fill out. This doesn't do that. Everybody just gets the same. It's like what the ALLURE best of beauty things are, you know, things that are popular in ALLURE magazine, pretty much. That's what this is. So let me fix my camera because I feel like it's falling. Okay, so getting into this, let's open up this bad boy. I have already been using everything in here besides one thing. And this box is actually pretty nice. You did get you got a good amount of things, and you did get one full-size thing, so that's also nice. The first thing that I haven't even opened yet, this is the original makeup eraser. This is a sample one. And look how cute. It has like little mermaids on it. Like, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen. But I haven't opened this yet. I always see this when I stand in line at Sephora, and I just, like, does this work? Should I try it? Maybe I'll try it on Snapchat later when I take my makeup off later on today. I don't know. It just seems so gimmicky to me, but I mean, they sell it at Sephora, so, and it's in this box. We'll see. But I did get that. I got this Skin Effects Foaming Clay Cleanser. It's dermatologist recommended, allergy tested, and pH balanced. It's Healthy Skin Clay Complex. Healthy Skin Clay Complex. Okay. Absorbs makeup, dirt, and impurities, and gentle and sulfate free for all skin types. Now, I love when I get new face washes and stuff in here. You guys know that. So I tried this almost immediately. And I actually really like it. It has a really nice, like, cucumber-y scent to it. It literally smells like I'm just like slapping myself in the face with cucumbers. I can't talk. Cucumbers, which I like cucumbers, so I'm okay with that. It's very moisturizing, which I like, and I do feel very clean after, which is what I go for. Because I feel like some face washes, it kind of could just feel like almost like you're putting another layer of something on your skin. And I don't want to feel like that. I want to feel fresh, like a newborn baby. A little cleaner than a newborn baby. I don't know. But I really like this so far. I think they sell this at Target and Ulta, so I'm going to try to see if I can find the full size of it, because so far I'm really loving it. The next thing I got in here was this Biossance Squalene Phytoretinol Serum. It reduces visible lines and wrinkles. It's just a little serum. And now this is a good size sample. Has a little pump and everything going on. So you're supposed to use this day and night. I've just been using it in the nighttime. And it feels really nice. Doesn't feel oily. Doesn't feel like, you know, again, like I'm going to bed with an extra layer of something on my skin. I also moisturize too, because it says that you can. Now, I had never heard about this brand before, and the Allure box does come with a little thing explaining all the products that you get in here. And let me just tell you guys, it tells you how much the full size is. The full size of this thing is $95. $95. It better be reducing my lines and wrinkles. Like, what? $95. $95. I don't know. I need to go read reviews on this, because that seems just crazy to me. Oh, let me just read you the other prices then. The Skin Effects, the full size is $20. And the makeup eraser, again, it's $20. But it does have a promo code on here. Enter code JUSTWATER to receive 25% off your order on makeuperaser.com. So that's cool. Alright, so $95 though. Can you believe that? Like, ooh. The other thing I got in here, this is by Drunk Elephant. This is the Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense, and it's the Broad Spectrum SPF Sunscreen 30. It says a sheer daily sunscreen that delivers powerful UV protection and guards against premature signs of aging. All things I really like. I'm going to be wearing this. I'm going to be throwing this. And then I'm going to be wearing this when I go to Disneyland. I'm seriously so excited. I can't even function. I already have my outfit picked out, my makeup picked out, I got everything picked out. You would think I was going for the first time. I'm not. It's just been like 6 years. But yeah, super excited. This is really nice. This, it doesn't really smell. Hold, please. So, when I first opened this, I did not realize. Okay, so I didn't realize that. I thought, because look, it's a cap, right? So you figure the cap just comes off when you squeeze it. No, girl. This, it's just like a little turn, and you could turn it and open it and then squeeze it out. I don't really want to squeeze it out because I don't want to use it yet. And then you turn it to close. So this is nice. I'm probably going to keep this in my purse because you just never know, girl. Like, I don't know. But Drunk Elephant, I've never tried anything from them. I know, again, it's expensive. It's actually $34 for this sunscreen. I mean, what is this? Rubs in totally sheer and fragrance free. So yeah, it says it leaves a natural dewy finish. So maybe I'll try this tomorrow before work just to make sure. You guys know I already use, I like to mix the Rimmel, what is this? The Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Foundation, and it has SPF 20 in it. I like to mix that with pretty much every foundation I own every day, just for some extra protection from the sun. I live in the desert. But still, especially if I'm going to be going outside all day, an extra little oomph never hurt anybody. And then the last thing I got in this box was the Nude Stick Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm. And I actually really like it. This is in the shade J Mama. It's really pretty. It's a very natural look. I have lip gloss on, so I can't put it on for you guys. But it's for cheek and lip. Now, I don't really use products like these for my face. But my lips, I really like this. I tried it on the other night, and it was a very pretty, like, your lips but better color. It says it's a pinkish brown. The full size retails for $24. I don't know if this is the full size, because if it's not, this is a very big sample. This is the same size as a full size brow setter. Same size. Yeah, this has to be the full size. Why would this be any bigger? But yeah, $24 in the shade J Mama. And yeah, very nice, very simple for girl on the go. It still wants to look natural, but a little bit extra. This is it. Alright guys, so that was my box. Again, I was almost not excited about this box just because I was still so mad about the first thing. And to this day, I still have not heard anything back. And I was mad. I was mad in my email. Adult mad. I don't cuss or anything like that or get crazy on people. I try to talk to them in a very sane manner because, you know, it's not the person's fault. Or is it? I don't know. I don't know. So we'll see. I'll probably give this box another month or two and then I'll cancel it if it doesn't wow me. And even if it does wow me, I might just cancel it just because I'm still mad. Childish? Maybe. I don't know. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching my little unboxing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Hold up.